My college student daughter and I are back at Aldi for another holiday haul. And while this is Thanksgiving related, there are items I purchased that I made meals for in the weeks after Thanksgiving. So stick to the end to see those. You'll see those recipes and some specialty items I got. And also, I usually have a follow-up trip where I saw some items the first time that I'm going back for. You will see those at the end as well. I do like Aldi for their uncured deli meats, and I scored this week because they were on sale. So I got the uncured ham and could not find the uncured turkey, but that's okay. We're gonna have plenty of turkey. Do you notice that every time you go to Aldi, there's always a kid crying? Why are they upset? It's Aldi. Maybe it's because they saw these bare empty shelves, which is a rarity for my Aldi store, but it is an indicator that the holidays have hit and the toy aisle has been struck. Luckily, the items I was going for were still available, and those included these dish towels. I needed some anyway, and I thought might as well get some holiday ones, so I snagged those. I did eye these scented wax candles. First Snow was a great scent, but I'll get that later. Saw these by another YouTuber, and I had to see it for myself because I'm like, what? A meatball stuffed with bacon, egg, and cheddar cheese? Yes. My daughter cringed at the thought. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna tell you how it is. This is another item I saw by my favorite YouTuber who tells me what's at Aldi before I come. Gelato Flight, pumpkin pie, candy cane, eggnog. Right away I knew mine, my husband's, and my son's. That works out perfect, except my daughter doesn't get one, but you know what? It's okay. It's okay. Okay, it only comes in a 3-pack, so you don't get one.
Pumpkin pie, eggnog, and candy cane.
Yeah, you don't like any of those flavors anyway. It's
yes,
okay.
I do. Those are like my favorite.
Don't feel too bad for her. I did pay for all her groceries. All right, just got back from Aldi, put it all on the table. Here's the full view of everything we got. This is supposed to get us through. I already know I forgot things because, you know, when you are trying to go to one store for a big event like Thanksgiving, you know you're going to end up at another store. It's just going to happen. You just know either they don't have the things or you forgot the things. But let's tell you all the things I did get and did remember. So we are looking at a holiday week here. So one of the things for stuffing, of course, mushrooms, celery, and then just some extra things I got in the produce section. The Asian chopped salad kit. Now this was like $2 less than my normal grocery store, and so that's why I grabbed it. But I have to tell you, not until I get this all out of the package, I tend to think there's not much lettuce in specifically the Asian chop. But we'll see. Like I said, it's $2 less than my grocery store for the same exact thing. So we'll see if it holds and feeds our family. Some more produce. I got some blackberries and some raspberries. And then I really like these ready-made salads. They're cheaper here at Aldi. This is the Santa Fe style salad with chicken. And then I got a chef and another Santa Fe. That's our favorite. A head of lettuce, some fresh green beans, prosciutto. These were on sale, so I had to, of course, get 2 because that's our favorite deli meat, and we just eat it as it is. Don't even put it on sandwiches or anything. 3 cloves of garlic because we love roasted garlic. Cranberries, really, I think they're just fine for decorations. They'll be great in our cocktails. I really do not plan to make anything specific with it, but for 99 cents for these, like I said, I think they're a beautiful garnish. And then we got some turkey breast and some ham, some honey ham. Actually, wait, smoked. I couldn't find the honey ham. So just some deli meat. And then remember I told you in the store, I was looking at these breakfast meatballs with bacon, egg, and cheddar cheese. I will tell you how those are. Tilapia, because I'm thinking if we're going to have a lot of poultry, I will probably want something non-poultry. And so I was thinking some tilapia would be great for the remainder of the week, as well as a wood-fired crust pizza, Italian sausage, pesto, and mushroom. I thought that sounded great. A gelato flight, so for dessert, pumpkin pie, candy cane, and eggnog gelato. The little triple treat there. And then I picked up just one of these sushi, shrimp, and avocado roll. Once again, a great little, you know, just an appetizer, just a small bite that would be different than anything you're going to have for leftovers from Thanksgiving. So Got our favorite German roasted Milo coffee, and then also my favorite is the white quinoa, the organic from Aldi is my favorite. And then some holiday libations here. We got the pink Moscato. So we got that for dinner and for our entertainment hour. And then we have some, I took a cheat here in case my homemade turkey gravy does not go well. I did go ahead and get some roasted turkey in a jar, and then also a packet of it, flavored gravy mix in the event, like I said, if my homemade gravy is a fail. Big old box of chicken broth, the organic. And of course I can't pass up cheeses. I did get the double smoked cheddar cheese, and of course I'm gonna get the brie. Now mind you, I know this is smaller, very small. If you're gonna make a big old brie appetizer for your guests and your family, Sam's and Costco are your best bet. They're like twice the size, but Aldi, cheaper, just a little side snack. It's gonna be great. Make a little appetizer with that. Some Colby Jack cheese. I did get some tzatziki. I got this spinach and artichoke, and a can of jellied cranberry sauce. Of course, we need some eggs, potatoes for making mashed potatoes. Got some Hawaiian sweet rolls, because if you ever need dinner in a pinch, which that pinch is happening tonight, we're gonna make meatball subs out of those. And then I got stuffing for, of course, stuffing mix for our stuffing. And I just picked up some Sun Harvest cheddar chips and our two specialty items. Boy, I tell you, the holiday items were so picked over. Gonna have to go back for some other things later when they restock. But all I managed to get were some 2 hand towels for the holidays. And of course, I can't pass up fuzzy socks. These were only $3.99 and I love them. They're just little different colors. So I got those. That's our haul. Of course, my daughter has her own little haul she got. All her stuff is at home. But this is what a holiday Aldi haul looks like at our house. We are going to try our breakfast meatballs. The meatballs that are fully cooked with bacon, egg, and cheddar cheese. So very intrigued by these. That means the meatball actually has the egg and the cheese in them already. Fully cooked meatballs, but here's how I'm gonna make them. Instead of just eating, I guess that is a breakfast all in itself, but I'm going to stir it into my hash brown casserole. So I just have 1 bag of hash browns. It's just your frozen hash browns with onions and peppers, the Southern style. So just a great value bag of those. Put them in my casserole dish. And now I'm getting my eggs ready. I did have some leftover deli ham, so I chopped deli ham in here with 5 eggs. And I also added some cheese already to my hash browns. I have some triple cheddar cheese, and I also have some Colby Jack. So put some cheese in the eggs, a little cheese on the potatoes, and then of course we're gonna put a nice cheesy layer on top. Trying to get all that cheese all the way through. A lot of times I just put it on the top and I feel like there's not enough cheese. I like it, like, I almost wish I put it on the bottom, because sometimes I feel like the bottom's all potato and the top's all cheese. I like it more blended together. So we'll probably mix this all together when I get my eggs all mixed up and put in there. But I'm gonna get my meatballs. Gonna cook them just a little. Do I need to cook them? They're frozen. This I let defrost in the fridge, so they're a little soft. I think I'll put these in the microwave just a little to get the hard, rock solid frozen ball defrosted just a little bit. Okay, I just microwaved them for a minute just so I can taste one. They're really, really good. Looked at the package. Yes, there's 4 or 6 grams of added sugar. I wish it didn't have it, but then again, it makes it really delicious, of course. So I'm just gonna cut them up and put them here in my casserole. Okay, I just kind of chopped them with my scissors. Let's go ahead. And so I did fully defrost them, and now I'm realizing that was the right thing to do, because then I could cut them and spread them out like this. So I think this is great. I'm adding my egg mixture to the top, and then I'm going to mix everything together so that egg is evenly dispersed throughout the casserole. I did add 1 more egg, so it's 7 eggs with the ham, with the sausage, And now I'm adding Colby Jack onto my triple cheddar just to top everything up. I made sure my potatoes were submerged in the egg mixture. And now make sure you get those edges. That's where it gets nice and crusty. All right, this is ready to go into a 350-degree oven for 40 minutes. My casserole is all cooked. Look how delicious. I cut it into squares for portion control, and also remember that cheese? Look at that golden edge. So what I've done is portion these out into 4 pieces. I have this great Tupperware that actually fit 2 layers. So 8 pieces divided by my parchment paper. I'm gonna put that in the freezer when this is completely cooled. And then I can easily take one of these to work during the week. Remember those additional items I mentioned that I went back for? Here's one of them, a 7-piece scented hand cream set by Lacora. The scents are warm coconut, eucalyptus and sage, peppermint, jasmine amber, citrus tart, bergamot orange, and vanilla spice. This was about $5. It's gonna make such a great gift. Another item I picked up as a great gift are always these hazelnut chocolates, the Ferrero Rocher. There were 12 in a package, and this was about $5 as well. And here are my holiday dish towels. I love them on the handle of my oven. So this is an item I went back to Aldi for, and I was so pleased because I had given my tablecloth to my daughter and didn't realize she had still had it until the day of Thanksgiving, which was fine. We didn't use tablecloth, but I do like with the holidays, with Christmas coming up, I really like sometimes to fancy up the wooden table I have here with a nice tablecloth, and I scored on this one $9.99 at Aldi for this beautiful tablecloth, which is a 60 by 104 inches, and it includes the 6 napkins. So I am going to spread it out on my table and hope it looks as good on my table as it does in the package. It fits perfectly. I love the color and the pattern. For $10 to get these additional 6 napkins to have this nice fabric tablecloth from Aldi. I love it, very pleased. It also came in a ivory color and also in a gray silver color. This was definitely a great Aldi find. That is all for the Aldi haul. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.